Hey guys, so I'm here to show you my Fenty Face Friday. As you can tell, it's nice and glowy, a little bit goldeny bronze. It's really quick, really easy, no tidy, who's got time for that? Some lashes, a little bit of glossy lip. So if you want to see how I did this using all Fenty products, keep watching. Alright guys, so I've just prepped my face with a little bit of moisturiser and some facial oil. So what I really like to use is the L'Oreal Hydrogenius moisturiser. This is just like a gel form. It's really nice and lightweight, but it keeps the moisture in and it's just so nice. Okay, so I've just clipped my hair up and we're going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro-Fill Primer. So I'm just taking a couple of pumps. And what this helps to do is to help a little bit retexturize and also cover pores. But what I like to use this for is basically it's really nice and hydrating, and also the foundation's really gonna like stay on my face. It's gonna keep the foundation locked in place all day, whilst also protecting my skin to make it look smooth and flawless. So guys, now we're all prepped and primed with the primer. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 290. This is actually my tanned shade. I'm not that tanned at the moment, but we're going to make it look as though I am. So I'm going to take a few pumps of that and I'm just going to apply that on my face. So to do that, I'm just taking a brush. I don't actually have any of the Fenty Beauty brushes. And as you can see, I have got like quite a few acne scars, so this is really going to cover it. And I mean, look at that coverage. So I'm not forgetting the ears. This is a tip by Hector. He never misses the ears. And then I'm just going to bring this foundation down to my neck where you can see the line. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender, and with this, whatever remaining foundation is on the back of my hand, I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to apply it to the areas that I feel like need the most extra bit of coverage. As you can see, this is like coverage, like it's covered all of my acne scars, but this step just finesses everything and makes sure that everything is blended in and looking perfect. Now as you can see, everything's looking really nice and glowy. Even though it is a matte foundation, that primer is really going to hydrate your skin and look the best that it can be without making the skin dry, flaky. It's really just going to be a nice combo. Like, this is why Rihanna made these two to go together, because they are match made in heaven. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Pro-Fill concealer, and this is also in the shade 290. I don't like my eyes to be too overly brightened. The powder that I use, which you'll see in a minute, lightens my complexion a little bit anyway, but this concealer, y'all, like, such a good concealer, not even playing with you. So I'm just blending this in with my sponge again. Unfortunately, I don't have any Fenty Beauty sponges or anything because I'm so broke, but see how nice this is blending. Literally life mistakes, who is she? And then I'm going to show you this under eye. Watch the magic. Like, it just blends so seamlessly. Sleep, I don't know how. So this concealer is going to stay in place all day. It brightens, and Fenty have made it so easy for you to find your own shade that matches. Okay, now to set all this in place, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder, and this is in the shade Better. So what I like about this is when you open this up, it comes with, when you first buy this, sorry, it comes with like a little cap that keeps all the luscious powder in, and there you have it. And it also smells like cakes and vanilla. So I like to take a little brush and then just apply it where I need it and set for the gods. So this is No Pro Filter powder, and this is powder. Okay guys, so unfortunately I don't have the bronzer as of yet. I ordered it this morning, but I have the Fenty Beauty matchsticks in the shade Mocha. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to contour and bronze my face up, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation brush to do this. This is the only Fenty brush that I have, so yeah. So what I like to do with this is I'll just take the back of my hand and I'm just going to warm this up like so, and then I ain't going to wipe, I'm just going to literally dab like so, and then I'm just going to boom. And then taking the other side, I'm just going to blend that out. And then taking my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that out a little bit further. Like, as you can see, it just adds a little bit of definition to the face, so fat, snatched. Alright guys, so I've just gone off and done my brows and added a little bit more of my personal bronzer off camera, just until I get the Fenty bronzer. But now I'm going to put a little bit of the Fenty Gloss Bomb on my lips, just to hydrate them, because they're looking a little bit clear. And this, guys, is how you would do a natural boy makeup. It's like really nice, smooth, I think. Like, it just looks really cute and fresh and Fenty face. But we're not going to stop there. No, we're actually going to go a step further and we're going to do some glam. Okay, so I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Fill Eye Primer. And this is essential if you want your makeup to last, like on the eyes, with no creasing but maximum payoff. So what I'm going to do is just taking this, I'm just applying it all over the lid and a little bit up here as well. I'm just going to take my finger, I'm just going to pack that on. You can use a brush, but I'm lazy. Okay, so I'm just taking the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Honey Slurp, I think. And I'm just going to be putting this through my crease. And then next up, going into the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. I'm just going to be taking the shade Spice Trip, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to be blending this out further. So to blend that out a little bit further, I'm just going to be taking Quicksand, and I'm just going to brush that through here. Just going ahead and applying Spice Trip underneath my lower lash line. I'm not applying anything in my waterline just because I want to keep it a little bit open, a little bit nude, a little something. Then I'm just blending that out with Quicksand once again. And then for my lids, I'm going to be taking the Galaxy palette by Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to be taking the shade Sunburst. So first, I'm just going to take my finger and then watch the magic happen. Yes. For inner corner highlight, I'm going in with Trophy Wife. Literally, amazing. Holy shit. For brow highlight, I'm going into the Kilowatt Foil highlighting palette, and I'm taking the shade Fire Crystal. And to all my 100 boys and girls out there, if you don't have this, then you are missing out. Like, look at that. You are missing out, guys. Oof. Alright guys, so I've just gone off camera again and applied some lashes. So I know some of you might be thinking you need to cut your lashes to fit your eye, but girl, some of y'all need to cut your attitude asking my good sis Rihanna for her album when she is achieving good shit. So how about that? Okay, so before I go and highlight, I'm going to do my lips, and for this I'm using the Fenty Beauty Stone Lip Paint in Unbutton. Now this is the perfect nude for me, and you literally need one dip and it's so lightweight. Like one dip, one swipe. You see how that is the perfect like shade, like oof. So guys, I want to introduce you to my best friend. Oof. Literally, if you like diamonds, you're gonna love this. So I'm just gonna take this on a brush and watch the transformation. See that? So to complete this look, I'm gonna apply some of the diamond bomb onto my center of my lips, and this is just gonna give a really nice glossy glow, but it's gonna keep the formula of the matte, so it's gonna stay on your lips longer than applying gloss, and it's also gonna look wetter as well. Like, can you see that? Alright guys, and that concludes this Fenty Face Friday tutorial. Hope you've enjoyed it. I sure have enjoyed it. I shall try and do another one at some time. If you want any information on any of the products before buying, let me know and I will be happy to help or whatever. And yeah, I'll see you sometime soon.